So we just got back from Mt Agung. We made an amazing video for you guys. Like, we saw the volcano, got some dresses.
We were riding bike for 3 hours in one way. And the road was so beautiful.
It was fucking pouring. We have an amazing video for you guys. But before we get into that, we wanted to kind of clear up what was going on in Mt Agung first.
So now 100,000 people have been evacuated near Mountain Agung. But the dangerous zone is just within 10 kilometers near Agung. That's it.
They need blankets, they need food, they need water, they need all the help they can get. Bali has been amazing for me and Alina. And what we want to do is give back as much as we can to this beautiful, beautiful island. We took some amazing photos for you guys that we want to share with you. But to get you involved with what's going on here in Bali, we wanted to recreate these photos especially for you out there who are either in Bali or out of Bali. For donations, all the proceeds will be going towards helping to fund the effort to get these people back into their homes and to get them all the provisions they need while they are displaced from their homes.
So guys, if you want to help, just follow the link below in description of this video and enjoy our video. Woohoo!
Thanks guys.
Hi.
Good morning.
Today we have an amazing adventure.
Oh my god, it's been fucking crazy.
You know what? Where are we going?
Where?
To volcano eruption. Agung.
So Agung is blowing the fuck up. We were already planning on going to take pictures and everything of it, but now it's like, it's insane. Babe, do you have pictures?
Yes, I can show you.
Fucking nuts. Like 3 hours ago, they're like, yeah, this is Agung. I'm like, oh shit. This is the universe telling us we need to go. Because all week it's been like kind of smoking, but now it's full on eruption. Boom, boom, blah. So actually this morning we're gonna go to Gold Dust Bali because they have reached out to us and asked us to take photos of our life wearing their dresses. So come with us. We're going to Gold Dust Bali. Pick out some dresses, and then we are going to finish packing and hit the road, go to Pure Lempuyang.
And we will... Oh my god. It's really dangerous. That's why we are taking these guys. So I will show you how it works. You should take this one, and then we have to put it on our face like this. Like this. Ta-da!
This will keep all the smoke out of our lungs. Our first volcano! Woo! Okay, bye.
Actually, I was in Volcano in Java.
Alright. Paka paka.
Paka.
Far away, this ship has taken me far away from the memories of the people who care if I live or die. The starlight, I will be chasing instead to the end of my life. I don't know if it's worth it anymore.
I'm going to the shop because we want to choose dresses for our shooting. No?
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
looking at, babe?
We are looking to Volcano because it was eruption.
Mt Agung. That's where we're going. Mask on my head. Look at this. We are being tourists up in the shade.
You're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. Cause you get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart.
Oh man, we are like right next to the volcano. It's crazy. The ride up was insane. I never seen anything like that, have you?
Yeah, me too. I've never seen something like that.
Where'd you get the flower, baby?
On the road, because I'm Balinese princess. Now we are going to take a dinner. It's so romantic and cozy place with this candle.
Here comes our food. Here comes our food. Here comes our food. Here comes our food.
This is gado-gado with this.
Oh, it smells so freaking good. Makasi, look at my food. Yum, 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 yum,
Yeah,
yum.
thank you.
I haven't had nasi goreng, so watch this. La 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 la.
We are happy now because we had food and we ate our dinner. It was so good. Yes.
So good.
Do you want to show our followers our room near Pura Limpuyang?
Not really. It's not a good looking. It's a shitty, ugly room.
We will see you in the morning, but actually it will be dark.
So early in the
But
morning.
like 3 a.m.
Maybe 4. It's 4:30 in the morning, and we are going to the volcano. I'm a little tired, but we slept alright. So yeah, we're gonna go to a volcano and show you what it's like to see a volcano erupt. I'm gonna take you outside on a tour of our place. Look, fucking pitch black out here. But we are going on an adventure, and you guys are coming with us because we run this vlog in Bali. Vlog in Bali, vlog in Bali, vlog in Bali. Woo, 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 woo. That's me singing to our followers about our vlog. I'm so excited we're gonna go see this volcano right now. So fucking pumped. So pumped. Alright, I'm gonna turn you guys off, put you in the bag, and then we'll see you at the summit of, well, not the summit, I guess. We'll see you at Pura Limpuyang looking at the volcano with us. Bye. Okay, we're here at the top of Pura Limpuyang. Oh, it's so freaking beautiful, you guys. I gotta show you right now. It's insane. Look at that. That is a volcano, friends. It's freaking nuts, man.
Got it all wrong. We ain't about to go and spend money just to flex on it. We ain't really got it like ya. I'm the type of motherfucker that'll check the check, do the math. I ain't never getting robbed. Those margaritas not going on my card. I ain't about to.
Alright, we are eating breakfast. What? The ass. Just kidding, it's my cough.
Look how Indonesian people are eating their food. They're using fork and spoon. So they do like this. And they eat in rice in spoon and help with the fork, and then
Spicy? Looks like I'm gonna eat her spicy food. I'm gonna eat her spicy food. It's pretty funny that you're giving like lessons on how Balinese eat with a fucking volcano erupting in the background. You just spit at me, baby. She's a princess, but she can't keep her food in her mouth.
we did it. We saw the volcano.
We did see the volcano. Now we are eating at our favorite cafe now.
Yes.
Because this is our second time being here in, I don't know, 6 months. But every time we come to Pura Limpuyang, we come here, we order nasi goreng, and we eat coffee. And then we look at this shit, watch. This is our view from breakfast. Fucking crazy.
With a dog, baby, you know I ain't tryna blow that
They need food. They need water. We want to do whatever we can. Are you fucking yawning?